Hey guys, this is me Radhika Sharma, and in today's vlog we'll be discussing an important news item, which is NASDAQ planning to pursue Bitcoin futures despite the recent price plunge. Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for latest updates. Okay, so guys, here is the news item. Recently on November 27th, Bloomberg put up a news item, and since Bloomberg is considered as a very credential and a credible organization, people put a lot of weight on its news items. So on 27th November, the news article was published that Nasdaq is planning to pursue Bitcoin futures despite the recent plunge in the prices. Now, giving you an overview on the Bitcoin futures, since December 2017, when we all saw the recent crypto bubble, a lot of organizations wanted to bring futures on the trading counters, but they were being depressed and being discouraged by a lot of other institutional investors and retail investors. Basically, the difference was coming from swap regulators and Chicago Board of Exchange, whereby the Bitcoin was not being satisfied as a commodity to be traded as a derivative in the derivatives markets. However, after the bubble, a lot of work has been put into effect, and a lot of institutional organizations and a number of brokerage houses are working to regularize this new bubbling economy and to put into effect this new investment avenue into the regular markets. Hereby, Nasdaq announces to incorporate and introduce their own futures counters specifically for Bitcoin. Now, this is huge. If we see in numbers, then this makes sense. The stock market of USA has a total market cap of 11 trillion, whereby the total market cap of crypto industry is just USD 121 billion. It's not even 1% of the total market cap of stock market. If this Bitcoin is being introduced to the traditional markets and to the future counters through a NASDAQ, the number of investment avenues and the number of customers it can reach out is enormous. And this is something the dream of mass adoption. This is how the Bitcoin prices can be regularized. This way, more and more credible and true investors will be coming and jumping into this market. Hence, the news item appears to be quite a positive sentiment driver for the market and industry as a whole, whereby if we see and look back into 2018, the whole year has been a very depressing year for the Bitcoin community as a whole. December and January, which marked as the highest peak of Bitcoin prices, February onwards, the trend entirely changed, and which is being shown in the graph above. Here we can see that from month to month, Bitcoin has been reaching a new lows and has been making newer and newer lows. Till then, that we are at a point that it is currently below 4,000 USDs, almost 1/5 of its price from its high. Other than Nasdaq, there are a couple of other companies like VanEck and NYSE that also wants to bring Bitcoin futures to the retail investors. However, in our views and in our suggestions, little work and more regulations from SEC are required. A fair financial model is also required that can value and justify the movement of prices in Bitcoin and other crypto assets. And a basic revenue stream model is also important to understand that how the future revenues will be coming from in this crypto space. Till then, we are very hopeful that this news might change drivers, sentiment drivers, and will be a positive game changer in the environment whereby everyone is depressed and this whole crypto community is undergoing through a very sad phase. This was all about the news article. Let's analyze this news item into numbers. So we have done some basic back of the envelope calculation whereby Nasdaq market cap as per March 2018 is USD 11.8 trillion. If we compare this market cap to the entire market cap of crypto market, then it's just 121 billion. It's not even 1% of the total stock market cap of NASDAQ. NASDAQ, which is the second highest and the biggest stock brokerage house in the United States of America, is a known institution for retail investments and owns more than thousands of customers on its regular basis. If Bitcoin is being introduced through these counters, then the number of investors will increase, the horizons and the different return and risk profiles will also change, because in current market all the investors who have seen the January peak wants more return. Everybody wants double digit return, and that too in a matter of days. This, guys, is quite not possible in a regular market. Hence, when institutional investors will come in and put their money, they will bring certain rules and regulations that will drive the market and its price accordingly. So you can't have those days that whereby your prices of crypto assets will be double in just a matter of days. You're just sleeping at night and you're waking up in the morning and your portfolio just doubled. These days are very hard to come again in the crypto space if we speak in regularization terms. If the 121 billion market has been introduced to a 1 trillion, 11 trillion market, then it's a 10x potential for any investment avenue. And Bitcoin, which holds 50% of the total importance in this crypto space, also has a 10x potential. Now, it is very justified to say that the current market cap of BTC is if USD 64 billion, it has a 10x potential to rise by up to 0.64 trillion, and the price of Bitcoin in result, which is trading around $3,800 to $4,000, has a potential to get up to 38,000 to 40,000 US dollars. It's almost a 10x returns, and in a matter of months it's possible. Once the ETFs approval will come, once the trading will start, and once the futures will open up, then this Bitcoin and crypto space is yet to achieve its own dream and another round of a bull run. So guys, this was all about it. In the end, there is a financial disclaimer that you want to buy it, you just do your own research, get into the stocks, get into the coins, see the project details, check the team dynamics, and then invest. We are also working on a couple of exciting project reviews and project reports, and hopefully they'll be up soon. So you do give us your feedback. It's quite important to know that how you guys feel. Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates. Till then, take care. Thank you.